Peace and unity in a free world. Equality under the name of justice. A world with no crime. United world under a single flag. They were the dreams that have never come true. Dreams that had no meaning but war. A war that left nothing but ruins. Massacres to become victorious. But in the end, they all lost. Even the victor. They lost their most precious thing, the Earth. Earth had become a nest for hatred and death for all the living. There was only one dream left, leaving the Earth and finding new resources. But it remained a dream for some. They couldn't leave. They were forsaken. They fought death. They formed a new union with one single goal: revenge. They didn't forget the hatred of war. They waged war across the universe. They needed energy to become unstoppable. The history repeated itself, but this time, beyond the Earth.
Boss, everyone's ready. They're waiting for you.
Uh-huh. That's good. I'll be there soon.
All right.
Boss! Can you hear me? Boss!
Yeah, I hear you. Where are you?
No idea. My navigator is broken.
We've lost connection with headquarters. We have to find each other now.
All right, boss. What is this place? I hope it's safe.
Look, we shouldn't be that far from each other.
We have company!
I was expecting them anyways. I just saw a spaceship. They're looking for us.
Yeah, I saw that.
You saw them too? Good. So you know where to go.
Yes, boss. Why do I have to come to you?